Taiwan is not just a beautiful island, but also the world's 5th largest exporter of machine tools. Despite its small size, Taiwan has tightly integrated supply chains and an impressive talent pool that enable manufacturers to innovate with ever more intelligent, accurate, and efficient tools for manufacturing. While our natural environment is under increasing threat, Taiwanese manufacturers are working hard to change people's lives and put industry on a sustainable path. More than 10,000 machinery suppliers are concentrated in central Taiwan, so manufacturers can quickly assemble the technologies and components needed to meet the challenges of reducing energy requirements and cutting carbon emissions.
The power consumption and CO2 emissions of machine tools both damage the environment when they enter use, so we are committed to playing an active part in the race to reduce emissions.
Founded in 1954, Victor Tai Chung remains at the cutting edge of Taiwan's machine tool industry. Victor has combined intelligent, energy-saving designs with integrated software services that increase efficiency while helping to achieve carbon neutrality. As Industry 4.0 takes off, Victor will continue to be one of the most important manufacturers and integrators in areas from automated production to turnkey solutions. Temperature control not only affects precision, but is also critical to cutting CO2 emissions. Haber has always been focused on achieving precise control of temperatures. As a well-known manufacturer of industrial cooling solutions, Haber has developed variable speed technologies that improve efficiency and energy consumption, as well as natural convection technologies, reducing damage to the ozone layer to just 1/3 of traditional high-pollution coolants. While multi-sensor systems deliver precision monitoring, enabling us to provide customers with the most appropriate cooling solutions.
Our precision control systems keep temperatures within a tolerance of 0.01 K. So we are not only committed to quality, but also to helping customers control energy consumption throughout their factories.
Tiny details like cutting fluid replacement and cutting residue make all the difference to performance and labor requirements during the machining process. Key Aero's background in machine enclosure manufacturing has enabled it to develop telescopic covers that prevent foreign particles from entering CNC machine spindles and causing production delays. Demand for unmanned factories has also led Key Aero to develop smart chip conveyors that can intelligently detect and troubleshoot errors, as well as improving safety and saving energy.
We not only make our product more efficient, but also reduce unnecessary waste in our processes through lean management and design intelligence. We believe that a little creative thinking can really make a difference to the environment.
Taiwanese machine tool manufacturers offer complete solutions and friendly, efficient service. We lead by example as we help drive industry-wide transitions to healthier, cleaner working environments and systems. The green approach is not just kinder to the planet. It is key to our ability to provide the world with the best integrated, intelligent solutions. Taiwanese smart machinery manufacturers are working towards a more sustainable world for all. Taiwan, your intelligent partner.